we just got a call for a truck and a camp trailer that is stuck on Crybaby Hill, and we headed out there to see if we can get them figured out. He sent me some pictures and he's crossed up pretty bad, and he's blocking the road, so we had to come in the long way, and that's what we're doing right now. I've got Rudy gonna be doing a little filming and helping today. He's got a drone, so we're gonna see if we can get some more footage today. We're kind of on a learning curve. Right on this cliff here. Hey Rudy, I'm gonna hook up to the front of you. We'll just pull it up here. It was a little bit of a challenge to keep this straight backing down this hill because the trailer was really heavy and there wasn't the greatest traction. So I understand why he got in trouble in the first place. The real problem there was every time he'd move the truck, it was sliding closer and closer to the hitch on the trailer, which was a problem. So we put the Jeep in a good position so that we could put pressure uphill while Rudy backed it up. That worked really good. And we got him turned around, hooked back up, straightened out, back down the hill, and it was a good day. They were happy and I'm happy. There's a pretty good traffic jam when we got there, so there's about 10 people happy. Do you have anything to say? What do you want to tell the world?
Be a good person.
About the job.
Oh, about the job. Well, the drone almost ran out of batteries. I had 48 seconds to land it, and it landed.
So this is how my dogs beat the heat. Got the cooler blowing in the shop and they just lay here all day.